Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. It's Make a Card Monday. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to my longtime friends and longtime subscribers and supporters. Thank you all so much for the wonderful ways that you show up for me and my channel each and every day. I really do appreciate it. Today is going to be a very quick video because we are going to focus on making a really sweet folio that will hold recipe cards. So I'll give you a closer look in just a minute, but y'all know what time it is? It's time to make it. All right, y'all, so here's a closer look at today's awesome project. When finished, it measures 4.5 by 6.25, and it is a bifold folio. So you have a pocket over here and a pocket over here, and this is designed to hold recipe cards. Now, I've had these recipe cards for a while, so unfortunately I don't have a link for them, but you can place any recipe card in here that is 4 by 6 or smaller. So when you have those events and someone is saying, can I get that recipe? Why not create some of these little recipe folios, especially if you know people are going to be asking for one of your signature recipes, and hand these out at your event. I have this one decorated for Christmas, but y'all, it doesn't have to be Christmas. This is any season, any reason, any one paper crafting. Now, this paper that I'm using is from my Christmas Magic paper collection. And I am just going to do a very quick flip through to remind those of you who haven't seen this collection some of the pages that are in it. And then if you go out to my website, you'll see that I have other digital papers listed that are a part of a best value combination that I have. So when you go out and you select the best value, I think it's now up to about 36 images. And as I make new papers for this collection, because I might want to change an orientation, I'll be updating some of those files too. And so today we're going to be using 2 of the updated files. So if you purchased the best value or you purchased this as an individual set, make sure that you check your email, because I'm going to send you the files for these 2 images that are not currently a part of what you purchased. I altered these pages just for me and just for this project, but I thought it would be nice if you guys had these as well. So make sure that you check the email, and this will also be added on the website. So if you're purchasing this today, these will be in there as well. So while you're on my website, make sure you check out the brand new feature that I've rolled out, which is use my printer. So let's say you want these papers, but you don't have a printer, or you don't want to use your ink, or you can't get the vibrancy that you see here, or you want the convenience of having the papers printed by me. Go ahead and hit that use my printer selection, and I will print the papers for you. So I have 2 pieces that are 8.5 by 11, and I have a couple of 4 by 6 recipe cards. Y'all, this is going to be so easy. I am going to grab my scoreboard, and on the 11-inch side, we're going to score at 5.5. And then on the 8.5-inch side, we score at 1 3/4 inch. And then we score at 8 1/8. And I forgot to tell you, on the 11-inch side, we're going to score at 1. We've already made that score at 5.5. We're going to rotate it to the opposite 11 and score at 1. So now let's just fold and burnish all of our scores. And y'all, when I say that this is an easy project, it really is. But it's just one of those projects that if you're going to give someone your signature recipe, give it to them in style. So now we're going to go to the corners, and we're going to angle cut this part. Then I'll angle cut here, and I'll cut straight down on that, like this. So here we're going to angle, and then I cut straight down. Here at the top, we angle and we angle. Then we're going to fold this And on our fold mark, let me find my mark, I am just going to angle in there so that I'll have even cuts. And then here at the top where I have that 3/8 of an inch score, we'll cut there. So now when you open it, your piece is going to look like this. So let's take some tape, put some tape there, some tape here, tape here, and there. And now we can just fold these over like that and get them nice and stuck. So that is the beginning of our beautiful recipe folio. So now I'm just going to take this nice little script page and I am going to cut out one piece. So on the 8.5 inch side, I trimmed it down to 6. And I'm going to trim this down to 4 1/4. So I'll have two pieces that measure 6 by 4 1/4. And when I take these, I'm going to place them in like this. And that'll be it. So I'm just going to take a little bit of glue, place my glue in the corners, we'll take this piece and we're going to place it fairly close to the score mark. And then we'll do the same thing with this piece. Y'all, these papers are so beautiful, and if you're interested in the paper type that I print on, as well as the printer that I use, it is listed in the description box, so please check there. I'm going to take this one and we're going to place it down right there. So now I can take my glue, place my glue on the end, and fold up to make my pocket. Same thing here. Place my glue, fold up. You can even add some crinkle seam binding to this to close it. You can add some jingle bells, but that's it. That's how easy it is to make this. So I am just going to take my cards and place them on the inside like that. And then here on the inside, I'm just going to take this little piece of ephemera, keep it very simple, and I'm going to place that piece of ephemera right there. Then I have this little poinsettia. Then I'm going to place right there. And then I'm going to take some of these Bo Bunny stickers and I'm just going to find one that I can place right here. And I think I'm going to go with the one that says Happy Holidays because it really blends in with these colors very, very well. Then here on the outside, I think I'm going to go with this sweet little Merry Christmas. Let me just pick that up. Because I really do like the way that that looks. So let's open it and have another look. Let's bring in the first one so that you can see just how easy it is to make a little recipe card holder to give to someone who might enjoy something that you've made. Y'all, this has been a very simple Make a Card Monday, but I appreciate the fact that you're here and I appreciate the support. So thank you so much. If you have liked this video, and I hope you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join. It really helps me, but more importantly than that, I think that you'll enjoy my channel. I think you'll find some of the tips and tricks that I share helpful. As always, my friends, y'all please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.